Hi guys, in this video I'll show you a payment proof from boomx5 URL Shortener. This is the forum shortenerviews.com, and here the proof is posted by Def Nagy. Uh, this is his transaction details here from 9th of May. Thank you bro for this payment proof. By the way, go down below in the video description and register from his referral link to support him. Really good guy. He's posting his payment proofs on regular basis at shortenerreviews.com. In the forum you can find payment proofs, cheating reports, scam reports, reviews, news about Euro shorteners and paper download website because I'm using them as well. This is the channel with all videos about payment proofs posted in the forum. In each video I'm posting exclusive referral link from the member who is posting the payment proof. So make your subscribe from here to stay tuned, or in your right corner of this video you see a subscribe button. Hit it to stay tuned. Bye.